is Ismail Faiz, and I am from a company called Tanpa Nama. We are here on this beautiful morning to do what we do best, that is, saving the world. We are here today. We have so many activities planned for the UiTM students here in Tapah, so that we could show the importance of going green and also to lead the next generation that takes care of our nature. For the first event, it's called Enviro Race, which is to enjoy the morning's fresh air and also to enjoy the view of this lovely campus. Oh, looks like they are already ready for the first event, I think. So, let's go. We are done for the first activity. Alright, for the second activity is called Capture the Nature. It is, we seek the best photos of nature from our participants, and also we let them to also enjoy the view of this campus. So, I don't want to miss the action. The view of the nature is really satisfying to see. But to get this view, we have to do something about it. We need to plant trees like this, just to get this green view and also to freshen up the air. And so this next activity is all about that. This one is called Trees On, CO2 Gone. So, you want to see how we plant trees? Let's go! I love getting my hands dirty for this one. Okay, the next activity is called Gotong Royong. Who doesn't know Gotong Royong? We throw rubbish and clean the campus and also dispose the rubbish to its rightful place. So without further ado, peace. We reached the end of our event. It's been one tiring day, but surely for a good cause. You see, we came here, we did what we have to do, and we hope that students' mindset will change for the better. Our nature needs helping. The students of this generation needs to do what they need to do to save the world. And today, we did all we can to help them achieve that. And right now, I'm very tired, so we end our program with, for a better future, for a better world.